Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Visual Studio with NET desktop tools and a target, NET version. Create a new VB, NET Windows Forms or WPF project because Windows Forms is faster for prototypes while WPF offers advanced rendering. Once created, set an assets folder and import sprites and sounds. Make sure file names are consistent. Now add a game loop timer and a simple player class. This gets you into real code quickly, so you can iterate on mechanics rather than setup. Once you have a loop, design core mechanics: movement, collision, and input handling. You should structure entities with update and draw methods so logic and rendering remain separate. This helps when you add AI or physics. For input, read keyboard state each frame rather than relying solely on events for consistent control. Make collision detection simple to start, bounding boxes, then refine if needed. Also, employ double buffering or similar rendering techniques. This prevents flicker and keeps animation smooth. To finish, add polish: HUD, sounds, particle effects, and settings persistence. These make the game feel complete. Once done, test across resolutions and use a self-contained publish profile so others can run it without installing Visual Studio. Make sure to optimize by profiling hotspots and reducing allocations in the game loop. If things go wrong, log unhandled exceptions to a file and verify asset paths and cross-thread UI access. That single troubleshooting tip often fixes most runtime failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.